Now I'm playing a song that'll calm Callie down and help Snow sleep. I've never run a video of them in front of their mirror before. Don't worry, Snow, I'm not gonna hurt ya. Don't be scared of me, baby. I have to do this. Now, if you want to paint trees, it's so easy to do a sunrise, guys. Because it's this. It's a rainbow. The dirt is red, or red, orange, sun, or dirt, sand. Sand is orange, sand is brown, red, red, yellow, sun, white, and even a sunspot of where the sun is burning your eyes. You can do a nice sunspot right here and like make it come out, you know, with lines. Then there's blue in the sky, so it's red, red, yellow, blue, and then a smear of black and a smear of black, and just the trees have the leaves turning green right where the blue starts to happen in the sky. So it goes red, yellow, green, blue, purple, or indigo, not indigo, but, you know, magenta up here, purple, that's like outer space, and down here, maybe even more magenta, but you gotta be with red here. So, that'll do, pig, that'll do. You have to listen to the part of this song that's beautiful though. Happens at 3 minutes. I'm gonna shut up and just watch the birds while the song happens. This is Reflections in Suspension by Steve Roach. Snow isn't trying to sleep anymore. That song got too intense for her and she was kind of hiding her head in her wing and squinting, and it was kind of sad. Someone called me in the middle of that video. Hear the pride and the shame? No, the awareness. Down. Pride, awareness. Whatever. Okay, that's really gay. Thanks, guys. 4 minutes.